Today we're replacing our kitten's old and tattered birdwatching hammock with this cool new cat hammock from Persuper. It comes shipped to your door with the hammock and straps already attached. The straps are adjustable and have 4 strong metal hooks. Unlike our old one that was falling apart, this one is durable and meant to hold cats up to 20 pounds, so it can hold those big boys out there. All that you need to use this is a place to hang it, and your kitties can relax. We already had a hammock on our cat tree, so we're replacing it with this. Just unhook the old one and hook in the new one. The hardest part was finding a time that the old hammock wasn't occupied. They just love laying there and watching the birds. After I finally found it empty, I hung up the cat hammock and then adjusted the length of the straps. After it was perfect, I laid down for a nap. Sure enough, when I woke up, there was our kitty laying in the hammock, just a-loungin'. And now every time I come back there, she's in there relaxing and just hamming it up. I think she knows she looks cute in her hammock, and she's claimed it as her spot. She just rolls around and flops from side to side. She grabs the straps and just lays there floating in midair. She just loves being suspended and being able to watch the birds from her secret spot. But what can I say? If I was a cat, I'd be loving that perch as well, so I don't blame her. This hammock is sturdy, looks nice, and it's even double-sided, so you can flip it over if one side gets stained by some kitty magic. So if you'd like to get a hammock for your cat as well, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Until next time, I'm gonna imagine that I'm a cat, swinging in a hammock, relaxing. See ya.